Hi everyone, you are watching teachtecsoft channel and today we are doing these exercises as you can see on your computer screen right now. There are 3 worksheets, worksheet 1, worksheet 2, worksheet 3. So in which you have to practice these 3 worksheets for your exam. Okay, so I will show you only first worksheet in this video and rest of the you have to practice with yourself, and if you will face any problem you can ask me in comment section. So first we are doing first worksheet, in which you can see here use internet and search the following things and make a PowerPoint presentation on these questions. Okay, in each slide for these questions you have to take one paragraph for first question and with pictures. Okay, so let's start this class. Okay, first I need to open it PowerPoint presentation and first open it blank presentation. Okay, so if you will click on this blank presentation, so you can reach on this page. There is a title slide in which you need to write your name, for example I will write here Muhammad. You can write your name, okay, and your grade, for example grade 4, grade 5, grade 6. Okay, so you have to write your grade here. Okay, after that you can open it next slide, go to on this home button and click on new slides. There are so many options. I need to choose here to contain. Click on it, then I will reach on this page. Here you can see here click to add title, in which you need to add your question here. For example, my first question in worksheet 1 is what is the name of currency in Spain? Go back to here, pasted your question here, and if you don't know about this question, what is the answer for this question, so you have to open it Google, because you can use it internet option for your questions. So if I will paste my question here, then click on it, so I'm getting my question here. So you can see here my answer is for first question is euro. So I need to take this paragraph with answer and paste it here, sorry. So this is my answer and I need to take a picture for euro, so I will choose it this one, euro, and there is an option here online picture. So click on it. It will take time for processing because my internet is very slow right now. So pasted here euro and then after that enter it. So now you have to get more pictures about this. So you have to take only one picture for this question. For example, I will take it this one. Let's look good. You can choose it as you like. Okay, whatever you want you can choose it. Click on it and then insert it. Okay, if you want to resize your picture, so you can click here again, paste it here euro, or you can write with yourself if you want, then enter it. For example, I will take it this one. Yeah, it's look good. You can resize your image. There are some points here. Okay, if you want to resize, you can resize from here. For example, here, for example, like that. Okay, you can resize this image by these points, as you can see on the corner of this image. Okay, so my first question is done Again, for next question, go to the new slides and choose it to content. Next question is 5 processor name, so I need to choose it this question and paste it in the title. What is the 5 processor? So I will choose it here, 5 processor names, and go to the on internet. In search bar you need to paste here, and then after that enter it, so you can get it these options: microcontroller, microprocessor, embedded processor, DSP, media processor. So my answer is this, and paste it here. Now I need a picture for this, so click on it here, online pictures, and pasted your answer here and then enter it. So you can get it many pictures for this, so you have to take only one, for example this one. Now it's done. For next question you have to go new slides, choose it to content option. Next question, 5 network devices name question, and paste it in the title, add title. Here I need to choose 5 network devices name. Go to the Google option, Google it, and then after that choose it your answer, 5 network devices name. So these are my 5 network devices name. Go to the PowerPoint and paste it here, then go to the online option here for pictures, paste it here, up, choose it whatever you want. I'll choose it this one, it's look good. Now done. For next question, go to the home button, choose it to content, and the last question is network. What is network devices? Oh sorry, what is network? So pasted your question here in the title, and here you need to choose network. What is network? On Google you have to search it. So the answer is that site, computer network. So I'll take it this one, paste it here. Now here I'll choose it network on, click on the online picture and then paste it in the search bar, then enter. I'll get it many pictures for network, so I'll choose it this one. So it's done, this exercise. If you have any question you can ask me in comment section. And one more thing, there are some other worksheets, you have to see it, worksheet 2, worksheet 3. So you have to practice these 2 worksheets with yourself, okay, or the first one also, okay. And if you will face any problem you can ask me, you have to do with yourself, okay. Goodbye, see you later, have a nice day.